Hi everyone, welcome to Wits Connect. This is Raju Madhi, Assistant Professor of EC Department, Warangal Institute of Technology and Science. So in previous class we discussed about Boolean expressions and their simplification and in the form of sum of products and product of sum. Okay, coming to the today's topic, here we have a problem on the Boolean expressions. Prove that a into b plus bc plus b bar c is equal to ab plus c. So we have to prove that ab in plus bc plus b bar c is equal to ab plus c. Okay, so we have different types of Boolean laws and Boolean theorems like De Morgan's theorems. So by using those all the Boolean laws and theorems, we can simplify the given expression into a into b plus c. Okay, so coming to the LHS, that is LHS is equal to a into b plus b into c plus b bar c. So here we have b bar c is a common here. So here I am taking c as a common in between this b c plus b bar c. So that is equal to a into b plus, here I am taking the c as a common, c into b plus b bar. Okay, b plus b bar. So we have a formula, that is b plus b bar, that is equal to 1, that is equal to 1. So finally we will get the expression a into b plus c into 1 is equal to c. So we have LHS is equal to AB plus A into B plus C, that is LHS is equal to RHS. So that is proven here. Simplify the expression a bar b plus a into b plus a bar b bar. So the given expression is a bar b plus a into b plus a bar b bar, that is equal to, see here a bar b plus a into b, here b is a common, so that's why here I am taking b as a common. Then we will get a bar plus a here, and another term, that is plus a bar into b bar. So finally we will get a plus a bar is equal to 1, since we have a plus a bar that is equal to 1. So 1 into b is equal to b plus a bar into b bar. And another formula we have, that is a plus a bar b can be written as a plus b. So a plus a bar b is equal to a plus b. So here a is equal to b and a bar is equal to b bar and b is equal to a bar. So we can write this expression as b plus a bar. So that is equal to a bar plus b, and that given expression a bar b plus a into b plus a bar b bar is equal to a bar plus b bar. Okay, next problem. Simplify the given expression a plus a into b bar plus a bar b. Okay, so the given expression is a plus a into b bar plus a bar into b, that can be written as, here a plus a into b bar, here a is a common, here I am taking a is a common, then we will get 1 plus b bar plus a bar into b. So we have a Boolean law, that is 1 plus a or 1 plus a bar or 1 plus c, that can be is equal to 1. Okay, so 1 into a equal to a here plus a bar into b, that is equal to, here we have a formula, that is a plus a bar into b can be written as a plus b B. So here A plus A bar B can be written as A plus B. So this is the expression A plus A into B bar plus A bar into B can be written as A plus B. Okay, A plus A into B bar plus A bar into B can be written as A plus B. Okay, next another problem, that is complement the expression of A bar B plus C into D bar. So we have to complement the total expression. The given expression is A bar B plus C into D bar, that we have to complement. Then we will get A bar B plus C into D bar whole bar. Okay, we have a Boolean law, that is A plus B whole bar can be written as A bar into B bar. So that is equal to, here we have a formula, that is A plus B whole bar, that is equal to A bar plus B bar. A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar into B bar. So here A bar into B whole bar into C into D bar whole bar, that is equal to, here again A into B whole bar. A into B whole bar can be written as A bar plus B bar. Okay, so by using the sum of products and product of sum, we can write A bar whole bar plus B bar into C bar plus D bar whole bar. Both bars are cancelled for A and D, then we will get the final expression A plus B bar into C plus D bar. Okay, so this is equal to the given expression A bar B plus C into D bar whole bar. Okay, next we have another problem, that is simplify the expression A into B plus AC whole bar plus A B bar C into AB plus C. Okay, and the given expression is A into B plus AC bar AC whole bar plus AB bar C into AB plus C. So here I am multiplying A into B bar C with the individual values A into B plus C. So we will get A into B plus A C whole bar plus A B bar C into AB plus A B bar C into C. A B bar C into C. So we have A into B is equal to AB, and B we have a formula, that is A into A bar is equal to 0. So we have B into B bar, that will becomes 0 here. So this total term will becomes 0. So A into B plus A into C whole bar plus A B bar C, and we have A into A is equal to A. By using the Boolean laws, we have A into A is equal to A. So A B bar C into C equal to A B bar C. And here we have the Boolean law, that is De Morgan's law, AB whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar, A bar plus B bar. So here I am expanding AC whole bar is equal to A bar plus C bar plus the remaining term A into B bar C, and here AB as usual common here plus A bar plus B bar C. B bar C. See here, this term we have like A plus A bar B, A plus A bar B, that can be written as A plus B, A plus B. So here A is equal to A bar and B is equal to B bar C. So here I am writing these two variables are equal to A bar plus B bar C plus C bar as a remaining term, and here AB same as usual plus A bar plus C bar plus here again we have A plus A bar B can be written as A plus B. So here C bar plus C into B bar can be written as C bar plus B bar. Okay, so and again we have A bar into AB can be written as A bar plus B, and remaining terms plus C bar plus B bar. Okay, so here b plus b bar can be written as that is equal to 1, that is equal to 1. So a bar plus c bar plus 1, and something by 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 in the Boolean expression. A plus b plus c is equal to 1, then the total expression will becomes 1. So finally the simplified expression a into b plus a c whole bar plus a b bar c into a b plus c is equal to 1. Next problem, simplify y is equal to abc plus ab bar c plus ab c bar. So the given expression y is equal to, here a and c both are common. Here I am taking ac as a common, then b plus b bar plus a b c bar, that is equal to, here we have a formula that is a plus a bar is equal to 1. So 1 into ac is equal to ac plus a into b into c bar, a into b into c bar. So here we have, here a is a common, and that here I am taking a as a common, then we will get c plus b into c bar, c plus b into c bar, that can be written as a plus a b bar, a plus a b bar is equal to, we have a plus a bar b can be written as a plus b, a plus b. So here a plus c plus b, okay, a into c plus b, then we will get a into b plus a into c. This is the simplified expression for the Boolean expression a b c plus a b bar c plus a b into c bar. Okay, next another problem, that is simplify the Boolean expression y is equal to a bar b bar c bar plus a bar b into c bar plus a b bar c bar plus a into b into c bar. So we have to simplify the Boolean expression, that is equal to, here a bar c bar and a bar c bar, here both are common. So here I am taking a bar c bar as a common, then we will get b bar plus b, b bar plus b, and here a b bar c bar and a c bar. So here also a into c bar both are common. Here I am taking plus a into c bar, I am taking as a common, then we will get b plus b bar. So we have b plus b bar is equal to 1 and b plus b bar is equal to 1, that is equal to, here a bar c bar into 1 is equal to a bar c bar. So a bar c bar into 1 plus a into c bar. So here I am taking c bar as a common, then we will get a plus a bar, and again this term is equal to 1, and then finally we will get c bar for the given expression, that is a bar b bar c bar plus a bar b into c bar plus a into b bar into c bar plus a into b into c bar. So this is equal to c bar, so this can be written as c bar. Coming to the next problem, that is simplify the Boolean expression y is equal to a into b plus c bar into a plus b whole bar plus c whole bar. Okay, so here the given expression, that is equal to a into b plus c bar into, here a plus b whole bar can be written as a bar into b bar by using the De Morgan's law. So a bar into b bar plus c whole bar. Okay, so here multiply it with each variable, then we will get a into b into a bar into b bar plus a into b into c plus a bar into b bar into c plus c into c bar whole bar, that is equal to, here a into a bar is equal to 0 and b into b bar is equal to 0, 0 plus ABC plus A bar B bar C plus C into C bar is equal to 0 whole complement, that is equal to ABC plus A bar B bar C whole complement, that is equal to, here A plus B whole bar can be written as A bar. A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar ABC whole bar into A bar B bar C whole bar. So again this ABC whole bar can be written as A bar plus B bar plus C bar into, here also A bar whole bar plus B bar whole bar plus C bar. Here both bars are cancelled and finally we will get A bar plus B bar plus C bar into A plus B plus C bar. Okay, this is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar into A plus B plus C bar equal to, for the given, equal to the given expression y is equal to A into B plus C bar into A plus B whole bar plus C into whole complement, right?